Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 with 248 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch split 5-spoke AMG wheels. In almond beige MB Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Sunroof. Aftermarket rear seat entertainment, rear roof spoiler, rear spoiler, C300, 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, steering wheel controls, media display, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, turn wheel for infotainment center. The C-Class has 52,206 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.